Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I want to look specifically at the comic book tools in Book Creator. So I created a new book and I chose one of the comic templates. Now when I go up to the plus sign, instead of just having media and shapes, now I'm going to also have a tab for comics. Okay, so when I click on comics, I'm going to get panels, speech, thought, text, and stickers. So the panels will look like this. I'll have the ability to choose any one of these layouts. Okay, there are lots of fun different squares and rectangles and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, let's choose this guy right here. Okay, now I can still format the background of the page, but when I do, it's only going to be behind those boxes. So keep that in mind whenever you're formatting your page. Now I can add speech bubbles, and when I click on this, I still can use the handles to make it bigger and smaller, and this green guy right here will let me move to wherever I need to move it to, so it can be the speech bubble for a person or a thing. Okay, now I also can add thought bubbles, which work very similarly to the speech bubbles. Okay, the text, it's going to give me pre-made formatting in text. So it'll give me caption, title, boom, and text. Now the text will be a little more, it's just going to be a regular text, and it will let me go in and format this just like I did with the text in a blank template. Okay, now I also have the ability to add stickers. These are lots of fun. Okay, and I can choose, it's going to be pre-formatted. I do have the ability to kind of move it around and make it bigger and smaller. Okay, but these are going to be formatting and tools to add content to only the comic book.